Starting this video, I will be taking a slight detour from some of the topics we've discussed previously. Up until this point, we have talked about a variety of topics such as how you can fill a PDF form, how you can flatten a PDF form, as well as how you can handle appearance streams using PyPDFForm. Those are all topics that will be coming back in the future. But for now, I'd like to shift my gears a little bit because if you recall from those previous videos, all the examples we have seen have been relying on a pre-existed sample template, PDF form template, and we can see how PyPDFForm interact with an existing PDF form. So today, in this one, I'd like to show you how you don't necessarily need an existing PDF form template in order to use PyPDFForm, and you can completely start from scratch. So as you can see here, I have started a new directory and a new script called from scratch.py. And the way you would start from scratch using PyPDFForm is similar to previously. You will need to import the PDF wrapper class. But on top of the PDF wrapper class, you will need another class from PyPDFForm called blank page. And just like how you would instantiate from an existed PDF form, you would want to instantiate a PDF wrapper object. Except this time, instead of taking a file path or a open file object or a file byte stream of an existing file, you will want to instantiate with the blank page object. So just like that. And that is it. So if we were to write this PDF to a local disk file, let's call it blank.pdf instead. And then we go ahead and run our script. Oops. This time it's actually called from scratch.py. So refresh. We will see that we have created a PDF from scratch. Now, this is really a blank page that just came out of PyPDFForm. The resolution of this is actually letter size, but it is something you can customize when you create your blank page object. So if we were to come back to our script, when you instantiate a blank page, you can specify width and height. So let's make it something like 100. And for height, we're going to do 200. Now, the unit of the resolution is actually called points, and we'll be discussing that in our next video when we talk about PDF coordinates. But for now, let's just create a blank page with a customized resolution instead of the letter size and see how that works. So if we were to run Python from scratch.py and refresh, you will see that we get a much smaller PDF, really, because we have changed the resolution to a much smaller scale. On top of width and height, you can customize. You can also create not just a single page. So if we come back to our from scratch.py, what you can do is instead of creating a single page, you can do something like blank page multiplied by 3. So instead of creating one page, we would like to have 3 blank page for our new PDF. And if we were to run that and refresh, you will see that we have created a PDF that has 3 pages, and each of which has our customized resolution. Okay, so that works.